Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Fillet, Shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line here with 28 plus 5 millimeters of length. And we will create this line here. And the angle between this line and this one is 30 degrees. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 28 plus 5 millimeters and create another line here and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 30 degrees. Let me move this a little bit. And now we will create a line here, an arc, and another line. And the distance between this point and this point here is 26 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and these 2 points is 6 millimeters, okay? So select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, click with the left button and hold this, make an arc, and make an arc here. Okay, go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 6 millimeters, and the distance between these 2 points here is 26 millimeters. And this arc here has 2 millimeters of radius. And now we will create this line here. And the angle between this line here and this one is 18 degrees. So select line, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 18 degrees. And now we will create this arc. The radius of this arc is 42 millimeters of radius. And the distance between the tangent point here and this point is 30 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, and click here in this point, make an arc here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here, 42 millimeters, press OK, and click with the right button and select pick circle, arc tangent, select this point and select here. Let me make this again. The distance here is 30 millimeters. We made this sketch here. And here we will divide this sketch in two. So we will create this line here. This line is coincident with this arc and coincident with this line. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 28 millimeters. So select line, make a line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 28 millimeters. And press OK. And now we will extrude this. So this area, we will extrude this 30 millimeters. So finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this area. The direction here, select symmetric, measurement whole length and the distance 30 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. And show the sketch 1 again and go to extrude. And now we will extrude this area. This area we will extrude this 19 millimeters. Select this area here. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length and the distance 19 millimeters. The operation here is join and press OK. hide the sketch 1. We made this. And now we will create this fillet here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, and select this edge here. The radius here 2 millimeters, and press OK. Now we will shell this body, and the thickness of this body is 1.8 millimeters. So go to modify, select the shell, select the face that we will remove, the top face here, and the thickness here is 1.8 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this, we will create this cut here. So we will create this cut, but look that this point here is coincident with this edge. Okay, so this point here is coincident with the internal edge here. So the first thing, go to create a sketch and select this face, and go to create project, include project, rotate this body a little bit, select this edge here, the inside edge here, and press OK. And now we will create this line here, and we will create this line, and the angle between these two lines 23 degrees. So select line, click here in this arc, make a line here, and create another line here. Go to sketch dimension, the angle here 23 degrees. And now we will create an arc here. This arc is tangent at this point. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here on this point and this point, make an arc here. Make sure that this arc is tangent with this point here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 5 millimeters. Press OK. And the distance between this line and this face here is 3 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, select this line, and select this point or the midpoint here. The distance here is 3 millimeters. And here we have a detail here. This arc at this point is tangent with a construction line here, or you can take the center of this arc, make this vertical with this point here. So go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay, or you can make a construction line here and make this arc tangent with this construction line. It's the same thing. Okay, and finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile. The extended type is all, flip the direction here, operation cut, and press OK. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.